Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Stumble guys. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will search about the application of Stumble guys. And you will go here to this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.